Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to edit videos on iPhone. So example is I made this dummy video here. Okay, so for example, if you want to trim one of them, let's just tap on this one here. If you wanted to just trim like the beginning or the end, just tap on edit and then here you go. If you haven't found the edit button, for clicking on edit button, you have these three lines at the bottom, tap on it. We can go ahead and take the beginning off of there, and then you can take the beginning on there as well and just click on done. That's only for trimming. If you want to cut like the middle out or add other clips into here, then we have to go into iMovie. So let's just do that. We are going to go to iMovie. It's free on the iPhone. Here what you need to do, just open iMovie app here, and here app looks like this. So let's tap on that right there. From here we are going to tap on start new project, and then we want to tap on movie down here. So let's tap on movie. Here I will choose that video which I want to edit. So now here I can show you how to do that. All right, so let's go and create movie here. So here I have one clip. If you want to trim this clip from the beginning and from the end, then what you need to do, you just hold from the beginning of the video and move it anywhere where you want. And same do this process with the ending of the video. Means move it anywhere where you want to trim. Then here if you want to take out like the middle of it somewhere, so what you need to do, just go to that part of the video which you want to trim from the middle. Like the part, go to that part of video which you want to split. Once you are here on that part of video, then click on this whole part of your video on screen. Then this type of some options will pop up at the bottom. Here you have the option of split. You simply need to tap on it. And from this point of split, go to next part of video from where you want to split again. Like which part you want to delete. Once you split it, then you can see these two lines are here on your whole video. You simply need to tap on that part which you want to delete. Once you tap on that part, then some options will pop up, and here at the bottom you have the option of delete. You simply need to tap on it. And you can also add more clips to your video. So for this, here you have this plus icon, tap on it. You can add photos, videos as a clip to your video. So here I tap on video and select that video which I want to add to my video. Once I select that video which I want to add, once I click on that video, then this option will pop up. Here I have this plus icon, I just tap on it. And here you can see my video is added. But as you can see, I added at the start of my video. You can set it everywhere where you want. You can set it at the start of video or at the end of video, or you can also set it in the middle. Then for adding transition to clips, here you have this option. You simply need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, then at the bottom some options will pop up. Here I just tap on wipe. Once you're done all with this, then here at the top left corner you have done button, tap on it. And then here at the bottom you have these three options. For saving video, what you need to do, just click on this arrow up button. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of save or share video. You simply need to tap on it. Then this type of page will pop up on your screen. Here you have this option save video, tap on it. And here you can see your movie start exporting. It takes some time. Once it will done, then you can see that movie in your photos. So it's very easy to edit videos on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.